Now, from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, it seems we're almost skipping over November. Much of the month has felt like October, if not September. And now starting on Saturday, what's left of the month may feel more like December, if not January, as we get a preview of winter that, once it gets here, will be sticking around, including 3 chances for snow over the next 7 days. Nothing looks all that significant, but certainly earlier than average for the tri-state. Today, though, was the other side of the pendulum. Highs in the mid to upper 70s, including 75 to 77 here in the metro. This could be the last day we experience temperatures this warm for the remainder of the year, as this pattern will be changing and locking into place for a while. Live first warning Doppler. These are all false returns, but beginning to see the outer bands, the far outer bands of what is left of Nicole pushing into south central Kentucky here. This is probably not reaching the ground, but as more moisture comes up overnight, we could see a few showers more in the east southeastern fringe of the tri-state. I'll show you that on Future Tracker in a moment. I'll show you the time lapse from downtown Evansville starting at 10:13 this morning on our Superior Ag Tower camera. Looks like we lost the camera there briefly, but just some high clouds coming through at times, increasing late in the afternoon, and now under a high-level overcast. Temperature is not all that bad here for 10 o'clock on a November evening. We're sitting at 53. Winds are calm, and we've got temperatures still around 60 in our far eastern counties where the clouds are thicker, but already 48 in Carmi where skies are pretty clear. So overnight lows will be low to mid 40s in Illinois, probably upper 40s to around 50 here in the metro, and 50 to 55 in our eastern counties. And there are the clouds from the cold. Meanwhile, there's a blizzard winding down up in North Dakota where they had over a foot of snow, winds gusting over 45 miles per hour. That snow diminishing. Here's the cold front, the leading edge of all that wintry air that's got quite a bit of rain with it this evening, but all that is going to dry up by the time it gets here. Meanwhile, Nicole is now a tropical depression spinning along the Florida, Georgia, Alabama line, turning up to the north, and we're going to be right on the edge of all of this late tonight, early tomorrow, bringing perhaps a little bit of rain to our far east and southeastern counties. You can see the cloud deck almost to the Wabash now, so the thicker clouds slowly pushing up from the southeast, and by daybreak tomorrow morning, our latest run has some spotty showers east of Highway 41 up into Spencer County, but I think the best chances will be Muhlenberg, Ohio, southeastern Hancock counties, quickly exiting as we see clouds, a little sunshine at times tomorrow as the dry cold front comes through midday. So the highs range from 57 in Fairfield to mid-60s in our southeastern counties where the front will arrive the latest. Here in the metro will be in the low 60s, but that high may be early in the afternoon. Temperatures will begin to fall as we head through the afternoon hours and that colder air begins to filter on in, and that will continue to be the case tomorrow night. Well, at the same time, moisture is coming up from the southwest, and the latest guidance is hitting the snow chances a little bit harder for the pre-dawn hours on Saturday. This is 4 a.m., and you can see Future Tracker has the snow in blue coming in from the southwest at that point, and 7 a.m., we wake up to a fair amount of scattered snow area-wide that will quickly end by about 9 a.m. As the system pulls away to the east, we'll see some clearing. We're going to start off in the low 30s, but highs, even with some sunshine on Saturday, only around 40 degrees. We clear Saturday night, drop into the mid-20s. Sunday will be a good-looking day, but highs only in the lower 40s. And in terms of snowfall potential with this system, looks like we could get a coating on the grass, but not expecting any impacts because of the temperature of the ground and the fact that the air temperatures will be in the low 30s. But overnight tonight, clouds will be increasing, a little scattered rain getting into our southeastern counties late. 42 up towards Fairfield, 51 in our eastern counties. We'll be in the upper 40s to around 50 here in the metro. Then more clouds and sun tomorrow, windy and turning cooler. 57 towards Fairfield, 65 to the southeast. Will be around 60 here in Evansville, but falling off in the afternoon. 7-day forecast, the first of 3 chances for snow unfolds very early on Saturday, so we could wake up to a coating here and there on Saturday morning. Then some clearing, a breezy 41, sunshine Sunday in 43, increasing clouds Monday in 48, snow chance number 2, pre-dawn hours of Tuesday, 35% chance there, but again, nothing more than a coating, maybe on the grassy areas. That system departs. We stay colder than normal, and snow chance number 3 looks to come in Thursday night and Friday morning as the cold air remains in place and these waves of moisture come up from the southwest. So we're talking about some snow, but nothing that's going to have a big impact. It'll something just to really talk about and something we'll have to adjust to after all this warm weather.
The mere mention of the word, though, Wayne.
Yeah, it gets people's attention.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks a lot, Wayne.